Hi everyone. Last time I did a reel on my wigs was probably about a year ago. Because I was actually quite impressed with a wig that I'd recently bought, and it was a whole new thing for me. A year later, and obviously there's been quite a dramatic change in them, and I have been really looking at the recoil wigs. However, they are exceptionally quite expensive, a little bit out of my price range. So I have actually been saving towards getting one of those. Along the way, I took a gamble. I went on Timo. Is it Timo? Timo? I don't know how you pronounce it. And I took a gamble and bought a wig from there. And yeah, you can imagine what's going through my head. All sorts of things. What if I bought? Is it going to turn up like it does? Will it turn up at all? Anyway, I am pleased to say that yes, it has turned up. Yes, I am exceptionally impressed. And well, I'm really shocked, to be honest. So I'm going to show you this wig. And believe me, guys, seriously, I've got to be honest, I think I've worked the site out along with probably a lot of other people. You've really got to look and see what it is that you need and that you want. So, look at the wig. Right. This is the wig that I purchased from Temo, and just by the look, okay, that I was again shocked. The feel of it is simply amazing. It was listed as real hair. Again, that just blew my mind. I paid a ridiculous price for this. I'm talking, we're talking under 20, like, so you can you see the panic is getting worse here, guys. What is really gonna show up? Well, I've got to say, that ain't bad. I'm really happy. I have got a short attached on my channel, obviously, of me. I did actually take this for a test run yesterday, and you can see me actually throwing it about. But what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to show you why I'm really impressed with this. Because I did actually I have got a couple of others that I'm going to share with you. Because they're all different colours, different styles, and they're actually installed differently. So one of the things I was actually quite shocked by, if you notice, if I turn this inside out so we can actually see the cap here, you will notice there are no combs. Yeah, so that blew again. How is this gonna stay on my head? Oh god, you know, seriously, oh, my panic levels were really up here. So yeah, so again, that's going through my head. The other ones that I've got have actually got combs with them, and they are front lace. So again, as I said, I will be actually doing a video with those, because again, I'm so scared about cutting the hair. Because cutting the lace, I'm really, really terrified. Guys, I am an 80s baby, so I'm going to admit, like, back in the 80s through to the 90s, there were no products for my hair. So growing up was really hard. If you see what my niece can do with her hair now, it is amazing. Me, I can't do nothing. I'm useless with my hair, so I buy it because it's easy and it always looks good. Anyway, back to the hair. It has got adjustable straps at the back, yeah, but if you notice, there's still no comb there. And if you look on the sides as well, but what we have got is a really lovely soft grip that around the ears. And I'll tell you what, that is one of my other problems with wigs, They always hurt round here where they're just a little bit too tight. So guys, yeah, I was in panic stations. I really don't know how this was going to work. So I'm going to show you. As I said, I took it for a test run yesterday, and Jesus Christ, oh wow, do you know what? It completely changed my mood. I did. I feel fancy. Anyway, back to the hair. So as I said, we've got some adjustable straps here, and I'm literally just going to just take that bit of hair right there. I'll show you here. Literally, I'm just going to pop that into the middle here, and you can see that's where it was yesterday. And as simple as this. That's one. Right, just move that. I'm not here to show you how to do this correctly. I'm just showing you how I did it, and it worked for me. So this is definitely not gospel. I actually put them both on the same loop, and make sure that's not twisted, because that's the last thing you want. So guys, that's it. Here we go. All right. So okay, so I don't get any bits and bobs. All right. I normally always make sure that I get these little bits, because these are the bits that you can always get a tail comb and pull those out. And flip it like that. Do you know what I'm saying? I forgot I was wearing this. Right, what we do first is remove your bonnet. We put that on. Right, so I'm so sorry. Anyway, what we do, what I do, is I normally take these two bits here, and I literally take it under and pull. I'm just going to take my glasses off. That's much better. Right. So then I've got the back. I'm going to pull that down to my neckline. And I take my netting that's holding it on. And then we've got, let's take the fringe out of the way so I can see. Oh, hello. And I just want to fix the ears here. Right, I'll pull that forward slightly. Ow! Oh, I forgot what was there. And that's it. Seriously, guys, that was it. I'm going to just make sure that I've got this. There we are. And my ears are free because of my glasses, obviously. But it feels so secure. It actually, when you put it on, it feels so secure. So I'm just going to put my glasses on because I really can't see properly with that. Hello. They are. For under 20 quid, guys. Seriously. And I'm just going to do this a minute so you can see. It's exactly what I did yesterday because I was so chuffed. This is absolutely amazingly light. You actually forget you're wearing a wig. I love the colour. I love the way it falls. I am going to use, I have actually got, there. I waxed it just to get down the front, and I actually use a mousse to actually flatten it down. So I will obviously sort this out and make this look really tidy. I just want to show you how quick, if you want to go on the go, boom, yeah, we're gone. And look at it, man. You know, it always looks good. Who doesn't like a bit of bounce in their hair? So that is mainly to show you this absolutely gorgeous wig that I purchased from Temo at a ridiculous price. And because I don't tend to sleep with my wigs, you see. I actually can't even sleep with my hair in a ponytail, my actual natural hair in a ponytail. It's really uncomfortable. I prefer a wig that I can remove. I have slept in wigs, don't get me wrong, if there is no choice. But personally, I am just not comfortable with it. Also, look at it. I obviously keep mine on one of these. They're really good, and you can buy them in packs of 3 from pretty much anywhere. I think they're about 15 quid for 3. So it actually keeps the shape of your wig, especially if you've got nice long wigs and just dangles. And great, you just hang it up with clothes if you haven't got the space to like pop them everywhere, or you know, so you know, pretty handy. And then you don't ever have to keep your wigs like, you know, just dangling anywhere. So anyway, guys, that, as I said, I honestly cannot believe this. Look, do you know what? It's really changed my mood and everything. And I've said before on the reel that I did a year ago, this is something that means a hell of a lot to me. You know, it's something that gives me a really massive confidence boost, and this has just blown it away. So take a look at Timo. I'm just, oh wow. But it is, guys, all about, don't rush into a purchase. Don't be tempted with the deals that come up and flash on the phone. Is really something that you really want. And I'll be honest with you, I really was looking for a new wig. Because at the end of the day, mine are really you know, you wear them, it's like anything, they need throwing out. And you know, for in total, for the price of one wig from one of those companies, I've been able to get 3 different types of wigs and change my look 3 different times. Also, it's going to give me practice, because I'm so scared about cutting the mesh on my hair. I'm so scared I'm going to wreck it. I'm going to do it wrong. I see that everyone on Instagram that do these amazing things with their hair, and I just think I can't do that. So, guys, I'm going to fix this. I've got to sort myself out, and I really hope to see you soon with my next one. Because I'll go through that, because yeah, frightening times. And have a lovely day, whatever you're doing. Take a look on Temo, but be careful. Do not be swayed by the lovely things they have to offer, because they have a lot of things to offer. And I'm gonna write this up so it's on my study page, so you got all the information there. And I really hope you enjoyed that, because yeah, I am enjoying this hair. Believe me, it really does. It just, oh wow, it's just flat. I just can't get over it. I really can't. Obviously growing up in time I did, and I've watched the prices of wigs going, I've watched hair going, so you know, that is mind blowing, absolutely mind blowing. Anyway, guys, I've waffled enough, and you've heard me chat for a long time and probably bored by now. So I won't bore you any longer, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.